When launching and growing a business, you start out needing a few different tools, but then that list grows. You've probably got an app for sending emails, another one for text, one for building websites or landing pages, something for scheduling, maybe this bulky CRM or a spreadsheet pretending to be one. Before you know it, you're juggling so many apps, you're spending more time managing the tools than serving your customers. I've seen it. It's not uncommon to experience something kind of like death by 1,000 subscriptions with all these different apps, but it doesn't have to be that way. My name is David, and I founded Better Story Marketing because I want to help entrepreneurs trade that app overload for a set of essential tools to build the kind of business that they want to own. In fact, that's why we created our BrandPacks, which are built in high level, powered by our marketing OS. It's not just another app to add to the pile, it replaces the pile altogether. Here's how it works. You're probably stitching together a number of different tools to do your marketing, things like email marketing tools. Gone. You don't have to worry about that. What you get includes templates, email campaigns, automations that are simple, effective, and already done for you. You may have some sort of text messaging app for your customers for follow-ups and promotions. You don't need that anymore. You'll get text messaging built right in, and it'll look extra professional when you have features like a missed call text follow-up. Maybe you're building landing pages or funnels where you can say goodbye to those expensive platforms. Your brand pack comes loaded with professional and customizable templates to design and capture leads and convert them into customers. And the best part, they're already connected to your CRM. We'll talk about that one in a second. But you also probably have some way that you're scheduling. So instead of trying to sync a whole bunch of different apps, use an integrated calendar systems where your clients can easily book appointments and consultations with you. Okay, now let's get back to that unwieldy CRM that you've been fighting with. Well, your marketing OS, it comes with a smarter, cleaner, and fully integrated system that manages leads, tracks interactions, and automates tasks. You'll have everything you need in one place without all the frustration. What about building a website? Well, you can skip that hassle too of managing all the logins, doing the updates, having a disconnected system. You'll get a website and marketing system that are working together seamlessly. What about all the reporting tools? Well, no longer do you have to go to a bunch of different sites and pull bits and pieces of data. Everything is built into a dashboard that shows you things from email open rates to lead conversions to ROI on your campaigns. It's all here. It's all clear. It helps move you to action. Now, I know you might be thinking, this sounds great, but I don't have time to learn how to set up all these tools. Well, that's the beauty of a brand pack. All the heavy lifting has really been done for you. The tools, the templates, the systems, they're all ready for you to hit the ground running. We've set it up so you don't have to waste time figuring out how to do it or paying thousands of dollars to someone to do it for you. So there's no more flipping back between tabs, losing track of logins, paying 8 different subscriptions. You have one platform, one system, one solution that saves you time, it saves you money, and most importantly, it works for you. Your new marketing OS is the foundation that you can use to launch and grow the business that you want to own. It's fast, it's easy to get started, and it's affordable. Doesn't cut corners. You're getting a professional grade system that delivers results. And this is just the beginning of your brand pack experience. We've put together multiple videos so that when you purchase a brand pack, I'm going to walk you through step by step everything you need to know that's specific to that brand pack. So here's my advice for today. Take a deep breath, log into your new marketing OS, and start exploring just how powerful it is and how everything is already in place. Marketing doesn't have to be so complicated. With your brand pack, marketing is built in, and you'll have what you need to launch and grow the kind of business you want to own.